Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to delete a card on the Trello app using your phone. If you've ever wondered how to remove old or completed cards, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. First, open the Trello app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the board and select the card to which you want to manage. Tap on the card to open its details. Once you have opened the card, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. After that, scroll through the options until you find Delete and select it. You will be asked to confirm your choice. Finally, confirm the deletion by tapping on Delete once more to permanently remove the card from your board. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your Trello boards and remove any unnecessary cards that are no longer relevant. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.